We took a break from the city to go to a lake and go kayaking, and we're having a real fun time. It's really peaceful out here. It's quiet. It's a little windy, but it feels really good. It's a hot day. It's just nice. What are your thoughts on kayaking?
It's really fun, and I haven't stopped smiling since we started. It's kind of like interesting figuring out how these paddles work, but
yesterday's kayak trip was really fun. Michelle, it was her first time, and she absolutely loved it.
yeah, I really liked it. It was so cool by the water, like temperature wise, and also it was cool. And it was it was just all around a really great experience.
We took a family trip to the Pacific Northwest one time, and for 4 of the days and nights we went on this whitewater rafting trip. And it was really cool because we slept under the stars. We were doing whitewater rafting, which is super exhilarating, and I want to do that again sometime. The guides also brought a kayak with, so I decided one time, and I was probably around in my teenage years, maybe like 13 or 14, I think, somewhere around that. And I went by myself in the kayak, and we went over like a stage 4 whitewater rapid. I think that's what it's called. Anyway, I became the only person on that trip to fall off of any raft, because I decided to go exactly where the guides were telling me not to go, which was into this like vortex of the rapids. And lo and behold, I fell off. Michelle wanted me to chase all the geese, but I was like, no, Michelle. Actually, just kidding. I wanted to chase all the geese, and Michelle was like, no, Jacob, their teeth are way too sharp.
I feel like the geese would totally attack us if we were aggravating them. I don't want to be chased by geese. Now that the weather has gotten nicer, and by nicer I mean warmer, working out twice for 75 hard has been so much easier. It doesn't feel like such a chore. It's just that becomes easier to incorporate it into my day because I actually want to be outside.